back to another moving vlog. So it honestly feels like it's been a hot minute since I've done a moving vlog. I know that you guys are like getting it updated just like every week. I feel like I haven't vlogged in like forever. In reality, it's only been like a few days. Anyways, I thought I would show you guys the progress of my apartment so far. Okay, so for starters, up here above the fridge, I decided to put all of like my wines up there. And my mom actually had the idea of putting a picture up there, which I might change out that picture. I'm not sure yet, but anyways, I have my coffee pot. I totally forgot I had these out, but I just washed all of my dishes. So they are nice and clean, and they are glass and they are cream, which is the color that I wanted. And then I got my little paper towel roller from the other day, but this is the side that I am most proud of. Okay, look how cute and aesthetic that is. I'm just like obsessed. All right, so I have my cutting boards right here with all of my knives that I just bought. And then I have this cute little setup up here, which of course you cannot forget the chocolate. You guys know I love my chocolate. So I have these little jars up here, which have my sugar in it, my coffee, and my little lemonade things. Then up there, I pretty much just have tissues and like our little Wi-Fi thing. And then up here I have my little jar with all the spoons and stuff in there. I'm probably not going to use that though. I just have it pretty much for decor. Hello. And my mom and I actually just organized all these, so check it out. So this top one has all of my dishes up here and then my bread products. And then down here, I have my snacks, my canned good, more snacks. And then back here, I have my little seasoning rack. So nothing too crazy. And then I use this just like if I want to go sit on my couch, just putting like a little bit of candy or cereal or something in there. So I can just go sit on my couch. And then down here, I just have all of my extra food and stuff. My mom helped me organize it, so it looks not the best, but it still looks better than what I would have done. And then my little lunchbox for work. And then my fridge, I finally got some stuff in there, like nothing too crazy. Got leftover pizza, leftover crab, and then just like a whole bunch of stuff. It's not like completely organized, but it'll do for now. Got this little rug that goes perfect with my little kitchen area. And then y'all, are y'all ready? Are y'all ready for this? Da, 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 da. I am absolutely obsessed with this couch. I got this rug from Walmart and it's just nice and cozy, so soft. Aspen loves it. I got like little pillows and stuff to match because I'm really trying to pull the vibe. And y'all, check this out. I have this little thing, which is from a Taboo game, but it's like a little buzzer. I'm not gonna buzz it right now, but it's for him. Guys, I just realized I do not have koozie socks on. Oh my goodness. Okay, random note. Anyways, it just kind of, whoop, see, like that, and haha. Gotcha. So if he gets on my couch, I just press the little buzzer and it just kind of scares him off. It's a little bit better than like spraying him with a water bottle because technically he kind of likes it whenever I spray him with a water bottle, so it doesn't really work. But I just don't want him on my couch because as y'all can see, I still have like this cover on there and I want to be able to take it off, but I don't want him to be getting on my couch and leaving little paw prints because if he leaves it on this, I can take it off and wash it and it'll be clean. But if it's on my actual couch, that's going to be very expensive to get that clean. So I'm trying to train him not to get on my couch, and he's doing like very well with it. He's not really getting on it that much, but whenever he does, I just hit the little buzzer and then he jumps off. So that's a little tip. I have my big TV right there. The wall mount just came in, so I will be hanging that up. Well, my dad will be helping me hang it up. So then I just have like all this stuff. I don't really have it like organized yet. I just kind of have a little bit of trinkets here and there. And then of course my little closet thing, and then my desk, which my chair is coming in. Speaking of which, I had a package I think deliver, and I'm going to see. I'm hoping that it's my package. So let me get you guys set up. Okay. So that package is a little heavy, so I'm going to be grabbing my sister. Excuse me. I'm gonna go grab my sister and I'm going to ask her if she can help me bring it in because that thing is heavy, but it has my name on it. So I'm really excited. I don't remember what it is. Like it might be my coffee table. It might be my chair. I don't know, but I'm just gonna bring the package in here and we're gonna open it and see what it is. I am gonna be so excited if it's my coffee table, y'all. Like you don't even know. I'm more excited about getting that than I am about getting anything else that I ordered. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's bound to be the coffee table. This thing is heavy. What do we have here? It's my coffee table. I'm gonna have to figure out how in the world I'm going to build this. We all know, like, especially from the last time of me building, it kind of didn't really work out very well. But, all right, let's get started. Okay, you guys, so it's coming out amazing. I'm very impressed with myself. Like, this is actually coming together pretty nicely. Fingers crossed, knock on wood. Hopefully it'll continue to do it. But, so this actually came with some LED lights that you're supposed to put like along the border here. And then whenever like you flip it on the right side up, it's just like a little light, so it looks so cool. And I was like, all right, well, this is perfect. So I got it. I didn't get this table for that perk, but it's just kind of like, oh, it's pretty cool. I'm about to put the lights on, and then I realized that it has to be plugged in. I thought that they were like chargeable lights. They are not. It has to be plugged in, and the spot that I want to put my little coffee table, this cord, do you see how tiny this is? It does not reach. It does not reach to the wall. So I'm not gonna be putting them on there, but you know what I am gonna do is I'm gonna find some spot around my house that's like really close to an outlet that I can just put these lights up. Okay, small little break. I have more packages that just came. I have no idea what I bought. Y'all, this might be my trash can, but what in the world is this? Let's find out, shall we? Y'all, I'm really hoping that this is my trash can because my other one came in and it was just busted, so I had to return it. What are you? Not my trash can. What are you? Oh, it's my bar stools! Look, it's my saddle stools! Ah! Completely white. And I'm just gonna have like cute little saddle stools. Ah! It's very light. So let's see here. Like, that's a weird shape too. Like, what kind of shape is that? Oh, it's my broom! This is like so fun. It's like opening up Christmas. Look, I got like the wood color and then it's just like silver all the way around. Oh my goodness, y'all, I'm so happy that my broom came in. If y'all don't know, I love sweeping. That was like one of my chores whenever I was living in my parents' house, and I would sweep 2 to 3 times every day. One, because it's just like it was my chore, but then 2, it's kind of therapeutic. Little bristles. Ah! Oh my goodness, y'all. This is like the oh my goodness. Y'all can tell I'm like very excited about this. This is just like so. Okay, break over. So now let's get started back on this table. Let's get this bad boy finished so that I can start creating my little saddle stools. So you guys, I look bad. I was so close. I just finished all the drawers. I was about to put them in. You guys seen how much work I did? Yeah, check this out. So here's a drawer, and here is the thing that, like, you know, slides in. Stupid me did this whole piece upside down. It's supposed to be so that can like slide in, because this is for the drawers and it's supposed to be down here. So I am taking this all apart again. Luckily it wasn't that bad. I am so good at like checking all the instructions and like looking over everything and just like going over my head like 3 or 4 times before moving on to the next step. So this is taking me a long time to do. And the fact that I put this in upside down, I can't even, I know that is for the drawers and it goes on the bottom. So I don't know what I was thinking. I guess I was just excited. So I was just putting it all together. I don't know. But yeah, so that's at the point that we're at right now. Like I said, it is not a Lauren DIY project unless there is some type of problem that goes wrong and I just have to roll with it. So we're just rolling with this. So I just got finished putting the drawers in and I am obsessed. It is so cute. Alright, all that's left to do now is just to take off this top piece, which is great because it protected my beautiful screen. Oh my goodness. Like, it's so clear. Like, you can totally see like the light bulb there. Like, oh my goodness, it is just gorgeous. You guys, I know this sounds crazy, but I can like legit see my reflection in this. Like, let me see if I can catch it on camera. So you see my hand like over here and then over there. So it's like, I see my reflection. Like, do y'all see my reflection right there? Hi! That is so crazy. Well, I absolutely love this. I am so excited to decorate it and to use it tonight whenever I put on a movie, but whew, I'm definitely going to take a break now. That took way too long. Like I said, I always go through like every instruction like 2 or 3 times before I even make the first move. So I'm going to take a little break, possibly eat a little dinner because I think it's dinner time, and clean up my apartment a little bit because it's a little messy. But yeah, got one project done. Okay, so I'm just enjoying sitting down on my couch with my little coffee table. I am so obsessed and I'm enjoying my little lemonade, which I'm almost done with, but I added some blankets in these 2 drawers. That way I always get cold whenever I sit on my couch. Oh, hello. So I always get cold whenever I sit on my couch, but I'm just enjoying watching some My Fam right now. Love you, Mai. But yeah, I'm just enjoying and relaxing and taking a breather. I also got these 2 little coasters from Florida and I am absolutely obsessed. Okay, so I'm going to get started on building these stools, but I'm gonna just be watching Stranger Things while I do it. And funny enough, I never seen Stranger Things, so I have like a lot of catching up that I need to do. I'm only on season 2, so no spoilers, please. I'm just gonna get started on these stools while watching that so that I can get that project done as well. I was gonna wait till tomorrow to do it, but I just rather get it completely done, so can't forget the instructions. Okay, so I just finished them. I'm going to do this. Here they are. They're cute. Alright, I'm just going to put them both over here. I don't know why, but like one side, if you could see, like this side right here has like a metal piece and then this side does not. I have no idea why they did that. Oh, it looks so good. perfect. The perfect time to, oh, I'm so excited. That is pretty much all that I'm gonna be doing in this video. So keep a lookout for another video that's gonna be coming out because I still have more things that I am going to be unboxing and stuff. But for the most part, I got my coffee table today, I got my chairs today, and it's coming, oh my goodness, my place is coming together so well. Oh my goodness, I'm like so excited. Oh, you love those boxes, huh? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If y'all are enjoying the moving vlogs, please give this video a humongous thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can see more videos that are to come. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. I love each and every one of y'all. As always, I hope that y'all are safe and well, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye guys.